Welcome to BT Alarms. My name's Darren. What I'm going to do today is show you how to set up an extra tag on an Orisec CK20 for a key holder, somebody like your parents, your mum or dad. This is an NFC tag, and this is what we're going to program onto the system. To start to program it onto the system, you will need the master code. So my master code is 5678. Once you put the master code in, that'll get you into the programming menu. So the program menu, we want to go down the menu by pressing the down button. You see it changing. And until you get to change settings. Once you're on change settings, you press the right hand arrow. Now we don't want to change the time and date. What we want to do is go down to add or delete user. So down arrow till we get add delete user. Once you're on that, you press the right hand arrow. Okay, so now what we're doing is looking for a code or a user that's not in use. So user 0 is the engineer, user 1's a master code, user 2 is the standard code, user 3 is Darren's code, user 4 not in use. This is the one we're going to change. Okay, so we're going to come down. We're not going to program a code up because this is going to be for somebody like your father, your dad. So we need to go on to type not in use. We need to change that from not in use on the right hand arrow to standard. Once you've got onto standard, you then need to use the downward arrow to get onto name. Press the right hand arrow, and this is where we need to put in dad. Okay, so D, A, D. Okay, once dad is inputted, press the back key. Okay, now we need to go on the downward arrow to the areas, press the right hand arrow. So what we want to do now is area 1, right hand arrow, press the back key, come down again. We need to go onto the options, press the right hand arrow. So what we're looking to do now is auto yes. Okay, so it's going to be auto yes, press the right hand arrow. Okay, back. Now this is where the NFC tag comes in. So you get your tag and you put your tag up to where the reader is, just there. Now the tag has now come up with a number. That's now programmed in. Press the back key. Press the back key. Press the back key. Press the back key. Press the back key until you get to exit menu. You then press the right hand key. There you go. We're now out of the system. What we're going to do now is test the key now, test the tag. So you put it up to the reader. There you go, that's now setting. So let's turn it off again, just to prove that that tag is now working. And that is how you set up a personalised tag on an Orisec CK20 alarm control panel.